Hello and welcome. This is a Teach Me Forex Swing in Position, the weekly wrap-up session for April 25th, 2009. So welcome back, traders of the world. Let's take a quick peek at last week's. We still had the trade open when we talked last week, so here's our grand total after it ended up closing. Only a few pips on this trade. 328 pips nonetheless, 29.2% return on investment if you trade all them trades into that one account. Beautiful. Good deal. And this week, well, not quite as good, but still in the black. 79 positive pips in the end. 8.5% return on investment. Hey, this is really good. Here. So what does this all mean as far as money is concerned? Well, let us explain it using our three hypothetical trader, Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Baba Big Shots, all graduates of our program, all attend our swing in position team trade room on a daily basis. They just have a different level of experience. They didn't start trading at the same time, but one thing they have in common, they started 2 accounts each to start the year to trade with us inside the swing in position team trade room. Peter had his compounding account at 500 and his reward account at 500 when he started. Then we had Susie Lovelots. What did Susie do? 2,000 in the compounding, 2,000 in the reward account. And Bubba missed a big shot. Well, he went with 10,000 in each the compounding and the reward account. So that's how they started the year. And now for the week ending April 25th, 21 calls were trades were called. 11 were winners. 10 were losers, so whoa, a brutal week by our standards, but yet in the end we're still positive 79 pips here, so that's excellent. 8.5% return on investment so far. So here are the particulars. So we started the week resoundingly well. Anything that hit the yen 15-minute chart this week was positive for us. Everything else was kind of a so-so result. It just worked out this way. So 79 pips, and I think that's the biggest kahuna of them all. And I think 4 of our 5 wins, 4 wins were on the yen 15 minutes there. And then we had the Euro 15 minutes that came on Friday. So we started the week good. We ended the week on a positive note there, and that's really good. Here we lost 230 pips on the last day, but hey, what can you do? This would have been an extra 60 pips, an extra couple of percentage on here. So that's the week that was. All 21 setups here. All take profits, all entries, stop loss. So you got the exact particulars of our trades right here. So did our traders take all those trades? Of course they did, because in order for those probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in your account, well, you must take all the potential setups offered to you. And when we trade in a team trade room, we use those 2 accounts, and the goal with these accounts is basically our compounding account. We are looking to compound it, increase it by 10%, and then we'll close it. We're done for the week. Then we take the rest of the trades into our reward account number 2. This week we didn't get there. 8.5%, so that's all we're able to muster. So let's go see how we fared this week. So Peter Pipper, which started with $500 in each account, well, look at his compound account, 5 times what it was at first. Do you think Peter's happy? He's more than doubling his account each and every month. Reward account, well, it's not quite 5 times theirs, but it's about 4.5 times what it was. The profit this week for Peter, $210. Susie Lovelots started with $2,000. Well, the compound account's now over $10,700, and the reward account, well, it's almost at 5 times. There's about 4.5 times at $9,100, $840 for Susie this week. Then we got Bubba, Mr. Big Shot, $53,687 in his compound account. Bubba's happy. And in his reward account, well, Bubba still hasn't taken a withdrawal there, but believe me, they're all going to take off a week and go on vacation. Later this summer they'll grab some money, but anyways, $45,483 for Bubba. Made over $4,200 this week. Good job, Bubba, Susie, and Peter, and all our traders that were with us this week. So 21 calls, 11 winners, 10 losers, 79 total pips, 8.5% return on investment. Alright, so now you're asking, here comes the questions, are we expected to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? How can we do that? And the answer is a resounding yes, indeed, because of the way we manage our trades in the swing and position phase. Everything is fully mechanical, so no matter if it's you, me, or Peter that's managing this trade, we are expected to have the exact same end results. You know, give a pip or two maybe there, but that's the worst case scenario. So yes, you know, we should have all the exact same results because all we do is mechanical. There's no room for error. And that leads us to this. Give a man a fish he eats for a day, teach him how to fish he eats for a lifetime. We apply this to Forex. We want to be your Forex fishing guys so you can fish pips for a lifetime. Make Forex your main business. Alright, and it starts right here, www.teachmeforex.com. There you find out who we are, what we do, how we do it, and how you can be with us next week inside the Teach Me Forex Swing and Position Team Trade Room. And you can help us fulfill our vision. Our vision is to create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time, and we hope you're next. And finally, to the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a super weekend.